Greetings from Finland. We are approaching this silent place in the middle of nature that is said to have a spring. You know, something that pushes up water. And we are going to find out if it's drinkable or not. We are going to see. We are seeing some abandoned old trees here. And there you can see the water. There you can see the spring. Here you can see some signs that tell you the secret of the forest. Groundwater meets the surface. Paths to nature. Alright, here we are. Very nice. And there it is. The spring of nature. Should we try drinking? Is it pure? I don't know. Guess we will have to find out in the next episode.